Selecting the desired area in the first attempt might not be possible. You may need to add more areas to your existing selection or remove unwanted areas from your selection. Here, again we will use the Shift and the Alt key. Pressing both the keys on the keyboard before and after pressing the mouse button has different purposes. When you already have a selection, pressing the Shift key before clicking the left mouse button will add a new area to your existing selection. And pressing the Shift key after clicking the left mouse button will create an exact square or a circular selection. Similarly, pressing the Alt key before clicking the left mouse button will subtract the area from your existing selection. You can clearly see that the area has been subtracted. And pressing the Alt key after clicking the left mouse button will create the selection symmetrical from the center. But pressing the Shift key and Alt key both before clicking the left mouse button will select the intersection area between the new and existing selection. It means it will result in selecting the common area between the new and existing selection. As we know, pressing both the keys after clicking the mouse button will create the new selection as a square or a circle from the center. You can practice selecting areas from the image by playing with the Shift key, Alt key and space bar before and after clicking the left mouse button to learn. We have several options for the tools in the options bar. The first option is common for all the tools. We can save or load presets from here. The Marquee tool doesn't require any preset, but the tools that have presets, we can use presets from here to save time. The next 4 options are the same as we have seen just now by working with the Shift and Alt keys. But here we can avoid pressing the Shift and Alt keys before clicking the mouse button. The first option is a simple selection for one time only. If you already have a selection and you try for the new selection, the old selected area gets deselected. The second button will let you add the new area to the existing selection. The third button will remove the area from existing selection. You can also check the tool icon for reference. And the fourth button will select the common area between the old and new selection. It's just like we did with the Shift and Alt keys.